Okay, so we are back here again doing an empty house tour. I remember doing this just like 2 years ago, but now it's with someone.
Me.
So एक bedroom ज़्यादा हो गया.
Two. From
Yeah.
1 to 2.
So we rented out a property nearby to the place where his parents are staying. It's just 15 minutes away, so we can come here also. And we majorly rented out so that we both can have our own workspace and we can create as much content as possible. Yeah. Why are you smiling like this?
Huh? We're already creating so many content.
Yeah, we already have a lot of content now,
Yep.
so get excited for that. And yeah, so here's a empty house tour. Hope you enjoy it.
बेल बजाने बोल रही है. हाँ.
अभी बजा. पिंक हाई लगता है. गाइस बेल बजा है, अभी बजा. अभी तक बज रहा है.
ओ वाओ.
और यहाँ पे दिखता है.
कि कोई नहीं है.
हाँ. So we just came here for the fourth time. Fourth? हाँ, fourth. So yeah, like you can see, this is the living room. यहाँ पे हम एक सोफा डालने वाले हैं. Mostly इधर तक आएगा कुछ. We will take the measurements and everything अभी थोड़े टाइम में. And TV unit obviously यहाँ पे आएगा क्योंकि वो लोग ने सारे plugs यहाँ पे लिए हुए हैं. We have huge windows. If you know me, you know I love such windows and balconies. One of the reasons why we got this flat is this. Like ये balcony में रह के भी मैं यहाँ पे shoot कर सकती हूँ अपने हिसाब से. It's so big, like you can see. So I expect to see a lot of content from here. And the view is amazing. We can see the mountains and everything. यहाँ पे actually sunrise का view है. So we can see the sunset. We can see the sunrise, not the sunset. Sunset वो side होता है. But since this property is on rent, I don't mind the sunrise just थोड़े time के लिए. But अपना कर लेंगे तो sunset वाला ही लेंगे. So that is done. This is like a dining area which we will use as dining area because I think we'll do a lot of food challenges, videos and all that. So it will be helpful for us. The kitchen is already made and done. It's all set. We just have to put in the appliances and everything. So oven आएगा, fridge आएगा, water purifier के लिए भी है यहाँ पे सब. So everything is done and it's pretty ready to move in. And ये सब साफ करना सब बाकी है. So यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा dark area है I think, but हम जा नहीं सकते वहाँ पे कुछ करने को. So forget about it. This is the kitchen. I like how kitchen is like half open because I'm a big fan of like open kitchens and all that. मेरे को ऐसे room में बंद kitchens अच्छे नहीं लगते. Just my thoughts. This is first bedroom, which is gonna be my streaming room plus bedroom. So bed यहाँ पे आएगा mostly ऐसे, और मेरा setup यहाँ पे आएगा. Right by the window. I'll put it here. And we have windows here. ये plastic निकालने का काम चालू है. They said 8 months लगेगा. So let's see. तब तक हम ही निकाल लेंगे थोड़ा सा करके. तो पता नहीं. But हाँ, so वो bedroom हो गया. Then we have this basin here and washroom, first washroom here. This is not attached with the bedroom that you just saw because वो master bedroom नहीं था. यहाँ पे duck area है. Duck ही बोलते हैं ना? Duck क्या बोलते हैं? पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं. But basically washing machine and all के लिए यहाँ पे जगह है. And come on, let's go. Then we have the master bedroom, which is gonna be Mitul's setup room.
Yay!
यहाँ पे उसका setup आएगा. He's getting a huge table, so यहाँ से यहाँ तक का table होगा वो पूरा. And we are planning to put the wardrobe also in this room. थोड़ा mismatch है I know, but it's just two of us living, so we don't mind coming here and going there and all that. So wardrobe यहाँ पे आएगा. We have to still measure किधर कैसे होगा and all that. So we'll see. And yeah, उसको भी view है, मेरे को भी view है. The only thing I'm jealous about उसके setup पे is because he's getting this wooden flooring. I'm so jealous. I like this. So that's the only problem. And we have an attached washroom here. This is nice. So this is what we are gonna use mostly, I think, for showering and all, because I like white more than black. Black or brown, Let me turn on the lights and show you. This is how it looks. Also one of the reasons why I like this house is because of the walls, white walls, as you can see. So yeah, that was a mini empty house tour and what we are planning to do in this house. Hopefully it goes according to the plan. And if you're wondering why we are not putting bed in that room, Bitul, because vastu ka scene hai thoda, to parents ne mana kiya hua. So we'll also respect that. And so far I'm happy with the idea right now. So that was the house. I hope you guys.
I'll change this. No. This. I'll take the red one.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that was the house tour. Pretty much what we were looking for, right?
All measurements done.
We actually wanted like a huge window and a balcony because of me. Yeah, and we wanted white walls. We got lucky with this house, I'll say, because kafi places we saw, it's not small. They were too small, and we wanted a room where we can do a setup and also keep a bed in the same room. So 3 BHK पे नहीं जाना था क्योंकि budget भी फिर ज़्यादा हो जाता था. So yeah, this is nice and the kitchen is well made. So it's perfect for us for now. So we'll stay there for a few months and see if we can save up for the actual house.
1-2 months done.
Yeah, we'll see. But keep supporting us so that Monday we can get our own house and do this empty house tour again.
And new IKEA vlog again.
Yeah, so get excited for all the house content coming up. That's it for this video. Subscribe if you haven't already and don't forget to like the video and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.